Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Depolarize, and I'm going to be testing out the AI on Snapchat. So let's get straight into it. Hello. Hello again. Is there anything else you'd like to talk about or ask me? How are you? Question mark. As an AI language model, I don't have feelings, but I'm always ready to assist you with anything you need. How can I help you today? Tell me a joke. Let's see what it's got to say. Sure, here's a joke for you. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Wow, that is really lame. Tell me a joke about planets. Why did the sun go to school? To get brighter. Okay. Are we friends? Let's see. Of course we're friends, even though we're chatting virtually. I'm always here to chat with you and help you out whenever you need it. Cool. That's nice. So let's ask it. Who won the World Cup? I'm not sure which year you're asking about, but the most recent winner of the FIFA World Cup was France in 2018. They defeated Croatia in the final match with a score of 4-2. That is actually really old. So, that's interesting. Which year are we currently in? We are currently in the year 2023. Okay. So let's see if they can do something useful for me. Like, write me a short email which I will send to my boss saying I need to book next Monday off. Let's see if we can do that. Oh, wow, that was really quick. Wow. Subject request for day off. Dear your boss's name, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to request to take Monday date off from work. I have some personal matters that require my attention on that day. I've already completed all of my pending tasks and made sure that my colleagues are aware of my absence. I will also ensure that everything is in order before I leave on Friday. Thank you for understanding. Please let me know if there are any concerns or if you need further information. Best regards, your name. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Rewrite it, but in an informal way. Sure, here's a more informal way. Hey, boss's name, hope you're doing well. I need to take next Monday off for some personal stuff. I've already wrapped up all my work and let my team know about it. I'll also make sure everything's sorted before I leave on Friday. Thanks for understanding and let me know if you need any more help. Cheers. Wow, I'm really impressed. It's actually pretty good. What mitochondria. Let's see what it's got to say. Powerhouse of the cell. Wow, I'm impressed. Alright guys, so that was my AI on Snapchat. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. I literally only have 24 subscribers. Alright guys, so in my next video, I will be making a video of all the Snapchat Plus features. So make sure you are subscribed and I'll see you tomorrow for that video. Peace out.